Hey everybody, Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. For the first time in company history, we had the actual grand prize winner for one of our drawings not respond. We tried for over a month to get a hold of this person. We sent emails, we tried to leave voicemails, we sent them a letter in the mail and said, hey, figure this out, get a hold of us. We even did a post, like a goodwill post on social media, on all the platforms, and said, anybody know this guy, please reach out to him. Someone actually reached out to a guy with the same name, but it wasn't the winner. So the guy's just MIA. Our terms say that we have to pick a new winner. Great news for this guy, the new winner. We're gonna call him right now and tell him he just won a $6,000 fabrication table from us, because no matter how many people enter, no matter if we make money or not, we give this stuff away. We have to pick a winner. So we're gonna tell him.
This is Cody.
Hey Cody, this is Joe with Rogue Fabrication. How are you doing this fine afternoon?
Hey Joe, I'm good, man. How are you?
I'm doing great. I was calling for two reasons. First one, I wanted to thank you for being a great customer and for subscribing to our $150 a month swag subscription. And I wanted to let you know that every time we do a drawing, like we did in Q1, and we pick a grand prize winner, a runner-up, and a second runner-up, we also pick two alternates. We don't tell anybody who the alternates are. But in the event that the grand prize winner doesn't pick up their prize, doesn't respond to anything, gives us 5 weeks to try and find them, and they don't respond, we give the prize to number 4, your number 4, the new grand prize winner, $6,000 fabrication table for Q1.
Oh my gosh, man. Thanks, Joe.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
that's fantastic, man.
yeah. So it's one of the first fully assembled fabrication tables with all the options to leave here.
Oh wow.
And it's a 4 foot by 4 foot one. There is other stuff you can pick up and add to it. Shipping is the only thing not included in it. It's big and a little bit heavy.
Sure.
If you really didn't have room for it, you could take a credit instead of that prize. But
yeah.
the first thing I'd like to know is, can I make a video of my side of this phone call in your voice and show it to our loyal YouTube fans?
Yeah, man, that's fine. I don't have a problem.
Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. So quit swearing because the kids can hear you. Just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I'm glad that we can bring you some good news, and I know that you're obviously dealing with some transition with the guy working on the vendor not being able to finish it. But we've got support here, so if you need more instruction or examples, or if you just call us and say, what's this piece called? What's the name of this thing? I see it mentioned in the instructions, but I can't tell what its name is or something like that. We're here to help, and we'll figure out a good address. Don't obviously give us your address because we are going to record some of this, but we'll figure out a good address to send that table to. We'll get you a quote on the shipping, and yeah, we're definitely here to help in your fabrication efforts, and we'll help you in any way that we can.
Joe, I sure appreciate the call, man. You guys are very awesome. I love the giveaways, and I'm happy to be a good customer to you guys.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. I'll give you a call right back, and we'll go over the details. But congratulations on winning, and thanks again so much for being a good customer, and also for answering the phone. And PSA for everybody else out there watching this, make sure you set up your email inbox to allow roguefab to be delivered, and make sure you set up your voicemail and keep it clean, because sometimes good voicemails come in. This would have been a good voicemail, but someone didn't check them and they couldn't claim the prize. So
yeah, thanks, Joe.
So as you guys heard, Cody was there. He picked up. We just got his details so we could send him that table. And I wanted to let you guys know, as a reminder, we have tons of information at roguefab.com/tech on how to bend, how all tubing benders work, not just ours, including exhaust benders and advanced mandrel benders and other things like that. And of course, we're available via phone for support on our product line. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Comment, let us know what you would build if you were one of our winners. We do these giveaways just like this every single month. This is a pretty large one. It was for a whole quarter, but we've currently switched back to a monthly drawing format. So every single month you can enter by buying swag, doing comments, all kinds of different stuff. And all those details are at roguefab.com/drawings. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.